Hi everyone. Today we'll be taking a look at a WCP1 Best chimney hood made by Best. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get at any main component inside this unit up in this nose of the hood. You know, if you had lights that went bad, how to replace them, or a switch control or an IR sensor. And we'll just take a few minutes here and we'll go through that. The first thing you want to always make sure is that the power is turned off. Number one thing is safety. Anytime you're inside cleaning or service, cut the power. First thing you would do is you would remove the grease filters. This is what we call a finger hole, and you'd stick your finger in. If this were mounted, you'd push to the back and you'd pull straight down and the filters will come right out. Same thing, there's two filters. Next, what you would do is you would unplug this motor. This is a quick connect. Just squeeze it, pull. What we're going to do is, again, we're going to remove this whole compartment here. What we would do is we're going to undo this electrical box cover here, and I'll go ahead and get that done. Electrical box cover is out, one screw. Set that on the side. To get this complete cover assembly out, these side panels on the right and on the left come out, and they're just held in by a spring, just like your filters. So what you can do is just grab it, push down, and pull out. Very simple. Again, grab it, push to the back, pull the front down, and it's out. To get this complete panel out, there are going to be two screws on the right, two screws on the left, and that's all it will be to remove that. And I'm going to go ahead and we'll get those screws out. Get the two on the right. And one more. As you can see, this hood is fairly open. The motor's accessible. Right here is the motor. You can get at everything in this unit. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull straight back and down, and this whole unit you'll have access to. And now you can get at the control board, the switch control. The switch control's got easy connects on it, so you just squeeze them and they'll pop out from the inside. Same thing with the lights. Just squeeze them. They're just like quick connects and they'll pop right out of it. The motor capacitor, there's one screw holding it. So everything is plug and play on this board. So easy peasy. So I hope this video helps. Thanks. Bye.